Hello, this is Luke Reader doing his second student data evaluation. This is for standards, video standards 2 and 3. So, what does this data show you? Well, it shows me what I already knew about my students, since again I've been teaching these students for anywhere from 2 to 4 years. And again, for some of them, these students have turned kind of more like nephews and nieces. By this point, I do teach them English, of course, but we get along very well. And this past week, I have been quite sick. And they have respected that by keeping their distance, which has been great for them and great for me. And I did not ask them to keep their distance. They naturally did it, which is awesome for me. And it's good that they have this understanding. They have that understanding, so it's good. Number 2, are there areas that need improvement? Well, the majority of the students are fine, of course. They aren't shy around each other, but maybe around some strangers they might close up a little bit, and so that allowed them to have fun with the play. And so by that time they forgot that there was a recording happening, and so they were just able to be themselves. And so there's not much place for improvement there. There wasn't a lot of listening in this one. There wasn't a lot of writing in this lesson. It was a fairly laid-back, easy lesson for the students and also for me, thankfully, since I was not 100%. Number 3, what are the areas of strength or growth that you see? Well, some of them are listening better now in the past 2 weeks, while others are still trying to figure out what noises they're hearing mean. Some of them just don't listen. And it doesn't matter what we do. A couple students, I've been teaching them for 3 years and they still don't listen. So, tried many things, different frequencies in my voice, different types, something works. However, I can see that they, as a whole, the class is more patient with each other, which is a really positive improvement. And plus, they're always working very hard. And number 4, how will you use this data to drive my instruction and instructional focus in upcoming lessons? Well, I will be more surprised by my students already know. Sorry. Joys of being sick. So I'll start that answer one more time. I will be more surprised by my students already knowing something that I thought they might not already know. So it's always an adventure for me to find all of this out. And so that is my second student data evaluation.